Meeting a neighbor dialogue. Hey, good morning. How are you?
Hello, I'm great. How about you?
All's well, thanks. My name is Rachel.
My name is Mary. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I am from Burma, the country that is now called Myanmar, but I most recently lived in three different refugee camps in Thailand.
Whoa, that's very interesting. I have only lived in Nebraska and Iowa, where I was born and raised. How long have you lived here?
I moved to the United States in 2015. First, I lived in California, but then I moved to Nebraska because it's more affordable here.
Ah, yes. California is a gorgeous state, but it is much more expensive than living in the Midwest. Why did you move to the US?
The Burmese government is no good and the soldiers are killing many people. My country is not safe.
Well, I am glad you are safe now. Do you like living here?
Yes, I like it because my husband has a good job and my children get to go to school for free. I am thankful to be here in this country.
That is so great to hear. I'm thankful too. Well, I got to go to work now, but it was nice to meet you. See you later.
Nice to meet you too. Have a great day.
Meeting a neighbor, questions and answers.
What is a neighbor?
A neighbor is someone who lives near me. A neighbor is a person who lives close to me.
What greeting do Mary and Rachel use?
Mary and Rachel use the following greetings. Hey, good morning. How are you? Hello. See you later.
Where has Mary lived?
Mary was born in Burma. Then she lived in three different refugee camps in Thailand. Now she lives in Nebraska.
Where did Rachel grow up?
Rachel grew up in Iowa, or she was raised in Iowa.
What does recently mean?
Recently means not long ago.
What is the Midwest?
The Midwest is a region of the U.S. with the following states: North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Wisconsin, Illinois, Michigan, Indiana, and Ohio.
What does affordable mean?
Affordable means inexpensive or reasonably priced. Or if something is affordable, it is something I am able to buy.
Do you think Mary will go back to her country anytime soon? Why and why not?
Many possible answers. Yes, I think she will go back to her country because she might want to visit her family. Or, no, I don't think she will return to her country because it is not safe. Maybe she won't go soon while war is happening, but maybe she will visit later when her country is safer. Or maybe she won't go back because she is scared of the government, especially the army.